canijo, canijo. ¿Qué crees que hace? ¿Qué crees que hace?
Y'all know who it is.
Uh-oh. What did he do last time?
I don't remember. He wasn't on the ruler.
Ah, dang.
I'm Jimmy Humble, but we know him as Mr. Jimmy Humilde, the bona fide rider. Y'all show you some love.
You say how I breathe, tell them how.
Come on, let's go. Show you some love.
Straight up, good game, peep saw game.
That's what I'm talking about.
Here.
And the boy to the dance
The microphone is boot blast.
See what happens. Probably gonna have to mute this music in the background. That's the only thing that sucks about it. The music in the background. That's the only thing that sucks about it. That's it. Uh-oh. Are you running in reverse? Are you running in reverse? Gotta get that good footage for you guys. Oh, you almost got knocked out of your goddamn ladder. Dale, dale. Here you go.
You know, we're doing this shit for every single one of these cars out here. It's a pleasure to be able to host this for you guys. And thank you for coming out. We finally made a car club. Everybody's been asking me like, yo, when are you gonna get into a club? So I said, fuck it. We're gonna get into a club. We started our own shit. But we appreciate you guys for coming. Everybody that made an effort to bring your car out. We appreciate all nothing but love. For all you hoppers that came out here, keep killing that shit. Everybody's a winner. As long as you came out, you're a winner. Give a round of applause to everybody that came out here, man. Yeah. To all the car clubs, to all the solo riders, to everybody that's just a fan of this shit, like I was when I was 12, 13 years old and watching all the cars hopping. Much love to everybody. Hey, ride your shit to the fullest, no matter if your shit, if you got some different color Dayton's on that motherfucker. Everybody from Texas, from Arizona. Much love to everybody in California, from all the areas. How can you talk, man? You hear the echo? Thank you guys, much love. Hey, who's ready for some Mac 10 and some ME magic?
Hey, one more time, y'all show some love to Jimmy Humilde and the Humilde Family Car Club. DJ, give me some of that old school funk.
There you go. So, vato.
It's recording,
you know I gotta talk over this.
And we got a bumper.
There you go.
Just make sure you don't get caught on the move.
Yeah, doing good.
Out here, after 11 years, he done pulled it back out to the dance floor. Hey, Jimmer, can I get a right on, cuz? Grandpa out here doing his dance.
Yeah, Jimmy out here on the floor too, watch. Getting that footage.
Watching this shit. Watching motherfuckers do their thing.
That's right.
37, 34, 34 wrenches.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Make sure you also follow the homegirl Talking Tina on IG. And what's the other page?
Talking Tina 1. That's it.
That's it? You deleted the other one? Okay, there you go.
We need everybody to take a step back. Don't anybody get hurt. We out here hopping straight, boy. We gotta do a fire.
Dang.
Oh, we got a fire going on back here. Somebody bring the salsa back. We need that.
Está adentro.
36 inches, 36 inches.
He has it on his head. He should have just took it. We got a fire extinguisher if you want a big old man.
We need everybody to walk away, please.
Right?
We got way too many people too close to the car.
My boy. Hey, can everybody do me a big favor? If you're not part of the show right here in the bottom, I need everybody to get outside. I need to do this serious now because we're gonna get in trouble. They letting us do this shit. Don't fuck it up for us. So I'm fucking with y'all. Hold up, Ventura County. That's right. Shout out to everybody from San Diego that came out too. We got a lot of love when we went out there. Even though y'all threw the cops on me and shit. Stop fucking with y'all. Arizona, baby.
All right, Nick from Boulevard, let's go. Nick from Boulevard, it is time to get on the dance floor.
Shout out to my boy Big Larry. Shout out to my boy Alex from 1503. Definitely a shout out to my boy Nacho and Rick. For love for the streets, baby, for making this happen with us.
Love for the streets, yes sir.
Shout out to my boy from Torres Empire that came out. Much love.
There you go. He's about to start. Let's see if they're ready or not.
Oh shit, he can back it up. We on the bumper out here. Boulevard Riders.
There you go.
He called out all 80-inch cars today. He's running all phase.
He got it. Don't even have it.
Don't
Talk
hurt
over
him,
the
bitch.
music.
Don't hurt him. That boy ain't playing no.
In Giant we trust. This the real Boulevard rider right here. That's right. See, I'm with here bouncing that shit.
Yes, sir. Let's get them motivated, DJ. Turn that up. Let's get them cracking. Let's go, Sergio.
Shout out to the Majestic family, to One Way, to the Boulevard Riders. Big shout out, big dogs. Got your Street White. What's up, Street White?
All right, get your cameras ready. DJ Melody, keep it cracking. Bump. Streetwise out here working. Ain't playing no games, getting straight to the business. Clean and chrome. A bonafide Boulevard bully right there. That's what I'm talking about. Y'all show him some love. 66 inches for Boulevard, for Streetwise. Oh boy, oh they want to fight. I'm taking all phase. Yeah. Trying to put your ass.
Big Larry on the switch, baby. Let's go.
All right, get your cameras ready. There we go. Boom, I thought it did. You know, they bumper checking that one way. Larry ain't playing no games out here. He getting straight to the business. Individuals out here being represented well. 79 inches. Y'all show him some love.
There it is, 79 inches.
That's right, JB.
You got the hunger right there. Mírala, no te trompeces.
Chipper on the switch. Like your daughter. Chipper, the River song. Okay, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. DJ, we just had to get it right.
I think think I'm gonna have to mute most of this video because it has too much music in the background. I already know what happens.
Yeah, you gonna blame it on the motor. He on the bumper though, y'all. I'm talking about 75 inches, y'all, showing some love.
Said 75 inches for that.
Hey, Lou. El Paso, Texas out here to show some love. Wait a minute. Well, we got a female on that switch, baby. We got another female on the switch. That's what I'm talking about, representing that Hot Light Custom out of El Paso, Texas. She gonna settle it down right now and get it on the bumper. I'm trying to tell you. Let's go, ladies. Let's go with some love. Come on, y'all.
Que vivan los pinches mujeres.
Yeah, what Jimmy said.
Ese vato.
Let's give her a big round of applause. That's what I'm talking about. Ladies out here representing the hot game. All the way from El Paso, Texas. 74 inches, 74 inches. Eric, hold on, Eric, hold on. Don't run your wife over, hold on. Better stay home. Oh, we out here on the bumper, dipping and stripping out here on the bumper. Putting in work. Man, dipping is serious business.
That's a heavy car right there. The transmission went out.
High class from Los Angeles Car Club. What's up, fellas? That's right.
The Dankster has entered the hot pit.
Big Dank.
Dankaruski! What we gonna do today? Hey, that's all that matters, homie. We still active. Family Car Club. That's what we doing out here.
Already caught on fire or something. Yeah.
Oh, we got going on back here, huh?
Damn.
You ain't lowriding if you ain't smoking.
Get your cameras ready. Be out here on the bumper, quick, fast, in a hurry. Oh,
Mexico. Oh, homie.
We got a statue out here. Anybody want to take a picture? It is $5. It's all good. We out here for a good reason, man. To support the Field Day family. Definitely went down. Shout out to all the Pasadena car clubs that came out and represented today. Pasadena in the house.
You got the crowd over here singing it.
Pico! Ain't this your song right here? Yeah. Represent one way.
That's all right.
Get your cameras ready. I'm trying to tell you. Yeah, beat him on that light. We got art out here on the bumper. Quick, fast, and easy. No Super Bowl. No Super Bowl. 52 inches. for art. Hey, this is the black dude with the microphone.
On the floor, please step back.
All right, we got Bear on the dance floor. Hitting his own switch. Let's go, Bear. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. There you go. Bear ain't playing no games out here. There you go.
That's sand. It's harder surface. Look like something's underneath on fire, blinking.
I don't give a damn what he did. This is cut and clean as hell board out here today to be presented by Jimmy Humilde himself. That's right, Larry. Out here working.
Oh, they got lights.
Man,
Guys to watch it on YouTube.
Appreciate that support.
82 inches for Bear. I need Luis from Good Times up next. It is time to get on the dance floor.
Shout out to my boy Dream On.
Too many people in here. So if you have nothing to do in here, guys, I know there's a lot of media. We appreciate the media, but everybody please step back.
Do they think?
Check out the window.
Coming out, coming through. Watch out, watch out. All right, get your cameras ready. Present how high.
Getting up, they gotta talk over that music. Sorry about that. Pretty sure most of this video is gonna be demonetized, so I'm gonna have to mute everything that has sound of music in the background.
I need moves, and I need somebody to line up next to moves, and I need somebody to line up next to them. We gonna run it. We gotta get going. We got a concert to get to. You guys watch yourself. Jesse, watch yourself. I got high class pulling up. All right, we are a little bit behind schedule, so we are gonna hop one car, measure it, move to the second car, measure it. it. All right, if you have already hopped, I need you to get your car out of the hop pit. I need 3 more to line up.
Oh, he hit it for the door too.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, we got Dan the Man back on the switch out of Las Vegas. When it's a humilde party, they come from everywhere.
Let's go.
That's what I'm talking about. All the way from Vegas putting in work.
We got the homie Alfonso. We got the homie Alfonso. Dale, dale, dale.
Let's get it cracking. Let's go, fellas. We don't need anybody getting hurt.
Got me, get on the switch. Something's gonna break. I just saw a spring.
Oh, he got us a statue, man.
Say he did something new to it. Let's see what it does now. Uh-oh.
Let's go, fellas. Let's get these cars measured and let's get them out the hot pit.
Let me get the homie real quick. Gotta get it. Hey, that's why I went quick. Yeah, we gotta get this going. That's one of my original fresh stickers I got. Yeah.
She's scared, that's what it is. He's not living in the building.
Let's go.
Big car going out here at Hoppin' Ranch. I think he said he want to line it up with Dick. I think that's what he said. Did I hear him say that? He said he want to line it up with Dick.
I'm sure the dirt.
All right, that was cute. Time to go. Let's keep it pushing. Uh-oh, we got the Majestics coming to the dance floor. We got us a Majestic OG out here out of San Diego.
Yeah, we got Dogface in the building. We got my boy Dogface right here. That's right.
It is getting ready to go down. If you know anything about San Diego, San Diego, this man Rosano, dipping our way out here, crashing the bumper. We are at the humilde family house party, and it is going down. Bam, that's what I'm talking about. We out here hopping everything. You know how the Majestics do it. From the street to the hot pit. Lasagna out here to work. Get your cameras ready. Last week in Phoenix, this week in California. Monday at work. We still got one line with that. I'm like, nigga, how? I'm in on the lane. I'm in the chain. Oh yeah, we out here on the bumper, y'all. Ain't nothing better than clean hop.
We got a little kid taking pictures.
Shout out to my boy Dogface. They're hanging out here with us today.
Let me get something cracking right now. Represent Steve out here. All the way from San Diego.
Changes broke. Something's gonna snap.
That's right.
Something's gonna
see
does
little
it.
switch man hit that shit. Yes, sir. Where's the guy? What up?
Hey, we got him.
This boy that's about to hit the switch right now is the youngest switch hitter in the game. Give it up for little switch man, 11 years old. Let's go, baby, hit it. Get your